When buying a full-size pickup truck, most people focus on horsepower, towing capacity, or the latest technology. But there's another factor that can quietly cost owners thousands of dollars over time: depreciation. And when comparing the legendary Ford F-150 with the premium GMC Sierra 1500, the difference is actually much closer than many people expect. Over a 5-year period, the Ford F-150 loses around 37.9% of its value, while the GMC Sierra 1500 loses about 38.2%. That means the F-150 technically holds its value slightly better, but only by a very small margin. In real-world ownership costs, the numbers are also extremely close. Some estimates show the Ford F-150 losing around $18,500 in value after 5 years, while the Sierra 1500 loses only a few $100s more. For most buyers, the difference is almost negligible. The Ford F-150 continues to dominate truck sales in America, which helps keep resale demand strong. Buyers also appreciate its wide range of engine choices, modern technology, and excellent towing capability. Many people see it as the best all-around work and daily use truck. Meanwhile, the GMC Sierra 1500 appeals to buyers looking for a more upscale and refined experience. Its premium interior, bold styling, and features like the multi-pro tailgate give it a more luxurious personality compared to Ford's more work-focused image. Owner opinions are divided. Some drivers prefer the Sierra for comfort and styling, while others choose the F-150 for capability, features, and long-term value. In the end, both trucks perform very well in resale value compared to regular passenger cars, mainly because pickup trucks remain highly practical and always in demand. So, which truck depreciates faster? Technically, the GMC Sierra 1500 loses value slightly quicker than the Ford F-150. But the difference is so small that most owners will probably never notice it in everyday ownership.